Here we'll be providing an overview of the group flow check process for the Unic Stella Epic. There are only 3 supplies needed. We'll need a scale, a small vessel to capture and weigh water in, and a screwdriver so that the shower screen screw can be removed, and so too can the shower screen itself and the water diffuser from the bottom of each group head on the front of the machine. We'll not be executing this test with the portafilters installed because they can capture water and skew our results, so set those aside. Go ahead and place your vessel on your scale and tare to 0 and place right beneath your group head. We don't want to lose any water here. We'll go up to the screen and tap menu, menu, and enter the code 9191 and press OK. You'll go to the maintenance section, test components, and we're on group 1, so we'll start with group 1. We're going to start the flow meter check here. Now, 10 seconds of time will elapse while the pump is on and the brew valve is open, and during that time the flow meter will be capturing an impulse count. So that time was 118 impulses, and we got the better part of 63 grams. So there are approximately 2 impulses for every gram of water that you capture. So 124, 126-ish grams of water. Impulses is what we should measure, and we had 118, and so we are right within the reasonable tolerance. The next thing that we'll do is we do want to check the other groups on the machine, and it's going to be important that to do that, you go back, just choose the other groups. It's going to be important that each of the groups is within about 5% of one another to make sure that your extraction times are similar across multiple groups. If you notice that, say, one group, you get, say, 80 milliliters or grams of water, and that would be 160 impulses. The other group, you might get, say, 200 impulses and 100 milliliters. The group that flows better, generally speaking, probably is used more frequently than the group that has less throughput. And you're probably going to be having a service technician come in and address the flow regulator that's up in the tops of the groups on that one that was particularly less than the other. So there's a number of other reasons why you might have varying results. It could be voltage is not being correctly stepped down. It could be something stuck in the flow meter, all sorts of things. But nevertheless, this is how you check your flow meters. And if you have questions, feel free to reach out. And thank you.